episode of Grassroots Garage, we catch up with an old friend, Matt and his LS Swapped R33 running ITBs. Running the factory Holden computer, the 8 ITBs are controlled by a modified factory fly-by-wire. Last time we caught up with Matt, there was a small human filming. That small human is vice captain of her school next year, and we couldn't be prouder. Matt is an accomplished fabricator. As well as fabricating everything on the R33, Matt has worked on most of the cars that roll out of Mr. Enforcer workshops, including the iconic EDS 100. Last time Matt was on the figure 8 track. Today the Skyline is let loose on the North Circuit.
Here comes Matt. Welcome to Grassroots Garage. We're down at the Australian Drift Club at Sydney Motorsport Park. I hope you recognise Matt. We found Matt. Matt, thanks for your time, man.
You're welcome, man.
Tell us about your car.
It's an R33. Was my old street car. Got a 6-litre LS engine with individual throttle bodies. Still pretty much standard, but like it's just got a little cam and a few bits and pieces to make it go. 6-speed gearbox, and it's just a basic car, but it does the job and it keeps on coming back for more. The Australian Drift Club, it's just a track day on North Circuit. North Circuit's like the track cut in half sort of thing, but like it's the faster part of the circuit, so it's a lot of fun. Absolutely a lot of fun.
Since we last saw you, give us a bit of an update. Tell us what's been happening.
It was quite a while ago since we last spoke. I just painted the car. I was only sort of just venturing onto the peanut track over here for Hi-Tech Drift All-Stars in the amateur side. I'm still in the amateur class, but I have managed to take a second spot trophy down at Winton Raceway. That was about a year and a half, 2 years ago. So like I've progressed in the driving. Out here, just loving like the higher speeds and just seeing how much I progressed, and it's just keep going with the car and see how far I can go.
Love that, absolutely love that. So I'm going to keep pushing. I thought that guy was going to kick us out, but he seems pretty happy at the moment, so we'll keep going.
Yep.
All right, I'm going to hit you with the hard ones now.
Yep.
Unlimited budget. What's this look like?
Unlimited budget.
Unlimited budget. You put a Ferrari engine in there. What are you doing? Keep rolling. Keep rolling. This is how we do it. In
the way. Get out of here. Get out of here. Go on. Well, the unlimited budget probably wouldn't be spent on this car. The next car, which I'm building, a 2010 BMW, a 3 Series Coupe. Now, if I had an unlimited budget, I'd have the V10 BMW engine in that. Like this, but another 2 cylinders. So, this is crazy. The V10 would be insane. I'd love it. The sound would be amazing.
Yeah.
But that's unlimited budget.
So the Beams would be your ultimate drift car.
Yep.
In this amazing world where you got an unlimited budget, what would you drive daily?
I actually wouldn't mind driving a Beamer daily.
Yeah,
to tell you the truth. Like
a new one?
Oh, the new one would be great, but or if you had the unlimited budget, absolutely have the new one. I think BMW got the i8 as well. I think I would love to have that as an everyday car. Nice. I think I got it right, but that'd be my everyday car.
All right, so you've got. I'm giving you 50 through 44. I assume you're just going to keep this just for the memories.
Yep.
You got the Beamer. You've got your i8 as your daily. What else are we parking in the garages?
Well, I'm currently building a GTR Skyline as well. So that's also been one of my dream cars, which I've had for a while, and it's going to be a one-off with a custom engine, custom gearbox, dual clutch transmission out of a BMW. So that's in the works at the moment. So when that comes out, that'll be something different as well.
Street car?
Street car.
Can we feature it on the Grassroots Garage?
I would love to feature it on. It'll be a great car to feature on there.
I love that, man. That's sick.
So.
Matt's hobby or second profession is drifting. His number one profession is fabrication. Just give us a couple of the highlight cars for guys that don't know Mr. Enforcer Engineering. Give us a couple of highlight cars that you've worked on over there.
Well, majority of what we do is probably about 90% is in the rotary world. So the boss has got his love of rotaries, so all his cars are rotaries. Like he's got the 4-rotor RX2 that we just finished not too long ago. That has a dog box gearbox in it. It's just naturally aspirated. Sounds like it's doing 10,000 RPM at 5,000. That's insane.
Yeah.
So like we put that together. We built a customer's RX-7, like a first-gen RX-7. We actually decided to go a twin turbo setup on it, so like that was all custom. Made all that from scratch. A lot of things that are on that car that aren't on most other street cars, but like it turned out to be a very beautiful car, which you came for a ride
I did come for a ride in it.
Came for a ride last week in it out here at Eastern Creek when we had the Rotary Revival. A couple other like there's a lot of other customers cars that we do. We build the engines and look after Enviro Racing's RX-7 and his R100, so we built that at the shop. So I had my hands in that as well. So. But like just anything rotary wise, like front to back fabrication, like we do it all in house.
Absolutely love that. So massive thanks to our professional cameraman for the day, Static from the Gutter to Gutter podcast.
Yep.
Thank you very much. Catch that episode because Matt's going to be in that as well. Static's going to be in that as well. And I've been honoured to be down here and be a bit of a semi-guest host, and that's been fantastic. That's the end of this episode. Matt, you're a legend. Thanks for your time.
Welcome. Thanks for having me. I'll speak to you soon.
Legend, man.